My lord, the king's throne is empty. He was taken in the night. No trace, no body, just gone. We only just received word.
The night the king vanished, the warrior swore. 3 days later, he marched.
This pass is too quiet. No birds, no wind through the rocks, just... I know. Should we halt? If they wanted us dead, the arrows would already be flying. They want something else.
They had been watching since the northern gate. Every step, every breath, counted.
Arrow. Center path. Standing. It's a message.
Don't touch it.
My lord, the ridges, both sides, they're lined with...
I see him, Jude. I've seen them for the last mile.
He's walking into their line of fire. What you seek has already been moved. You are 3 days behind the ghost.
You could have killed us a mile back. You didn't. So whoever sent this letter wants to talk. Tell him I'm listening.